again to the podcast Talk with Me. I'm Lady, your host today. And the episode we are going to discuss something very important. This is mental health. So we have special guests. Okay everyone, we have guests today. So hi guys.
Hi.
How's everyone doing now?
Good.
Good. Could you please start by introducing yourself and your roles as psychologist first?
Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm a psychologist. And I'm Angel as an influencer.
Hi everyone, I'm Christine as a student at Communication Science.
Hello, I'm Amelia. I'm a student from Laos.
Wow, great. I'm glad to hear that you're doing well. Today's episode is going to be really interesting because we'll be hearing voices from different perspectives. As psycholog, student, influencer, and also parents. Let's get started, guys. Yeah. Maybe we'll start from the psycholog point of view first.
Okay. What is mental health? Mental health is a physiological condition of each individual that can affect a person's attitude or behavior and even character. According to the World Health Organization, the WHO, mental health is state of peace or well-being where each individual is able to realize their potential.
Yes, that's right. I have question. You as psycholog, how can we be more aware of your mental health so that first know how it will affect your health?
Okay, the way to become more aware of mental health start with recognizing your own feeling. Take a moment to be honest with what you are feeling. Recognize your feeling and don't ignore signs of stress. Talking to someone or seeking help is important.
Wow. We have a psycholog perspective is different. So I need different from influencer. So what do you think about mental health?
Okay, hi everyone.
Hi.
I'm active on social media and today I want to talk about something we often go through but really discussion seriously, mental health. Social media isn't always as perfect as it looks. It felt burnout, anxiety and overthinking too. But many of us stay silent, afraid of being judged. Mental health is just as important as physical health. I once posted a short video about feeling mentally tired, and many people could relate. Treatment we need safe space to talk. If you struggle, you're not only asking for help is not a weakness, it's correct. Let's see if of inside mental health is a trend, it's a really
It turns out that media can also be a trigger for mental health issues. If I ask, what should be avoided to maintain good mental health when using media?
Yeah, social media is part of life, but I can affect our mental health if you're not careful. Here are three things to keep in mind. One, don't compare your life to others. What you see is just a highlight reel. Two, take break. Too much screen time can drain you without help. And three, avoid seeking validation from like and comment. Your worth is measured by it. Use social media with a protect your mind, heart, and well-being.
Okay. So maybe we will go straight to the point of view to student here. So what do you think guys about mental health?
Okay, thank you, lady, for having me here to talk about mental health issue. Okay, I'm gonna explain my point of view about this mental health issue. The issue of mental health is certainly not a foreign thing anymore, especially for me as a student in living both academic and non-academic life. There must be many things that trigger mental health disorders for me, especially such as fatigue to do many assignments, resulting in mental problems, irregular sleep or staying too late, and the habit of messy eating patterns. So my view of mental health as a student is because of the many thoughts and pressures that arise from various aspects, both academic and non-academic, and by doing so, it helps me to be more aware of mental health and maintain my own mental balance. Thank you.
I'm completely agree with Christine. Constant academic pressure, social demands, and adjusting to a new environment can be overwhelming, especially for students far from their families. Without a strong support system, feeling of isolation and the pressure to excel often leads to mental fatigue and burnout. This affects sleep, motivation, and overall well-being. That's why student mental health is must be a top priority.
Wow. It turns out that students also experience a lot of stress in their achievement.
Yes, right.
Wow. Okay guys, to finish, listen about mental health from more perspective as psycholog, influencer, and student. So maybe we will go straight to the point of view of parents.
Hello, I am Ignacia, a housewife and mother of two daughters aged 2 and 5 with my husband. I apologize for not being able to attend the podcast as something else has come up. Mental health is very relevant to Gen Z. In my opinion as a parent, mental health is not only important for young people today, but it is very important for all age groups and especially for me as a parent. Parents' mental health greatly influence the mental health of the children they raise because basically children first learn and develop physically and mental according to their parents' parenting style. They begin to understand basic norms, communication styles, and develop their own attitudes and behaviors. According to the Center of Disease Control and Prevention or CDC, parents with poor mental health tend to have children with poor health as well, such as mental disabilities, emotional issues, or delayed development. Like a domino effect, this can even impact family harmony, leading to divorce and trauma. Given that parents' mental health significantly impacts the children well-being in the long term, it is crucial for parents to learn how to manage their stress effectively to prevent it from becoming overwhelming. I have been implementing several methods and continue to learn how to maintain my children's mental health. First, I provide them with full love and attention as I have two children and must treat them fairly and equally. Simple ways to do this include physical touch, hugs, or asking about their day or activities. Second, as parents, it is important to build trust with children so they feel safe and have a place to lean, and confide in. Lastly, building a good relationship with children. This can be done by engaging in activities or spending equality time together to strengthen the bond between me as a parent and my children.
So guys, okay, today we have listened directly to how mental health is from various perspectives. Hopefully this podcast gives you a view of how important mental health is. Thank you all for coming today and giving new perspective. Stay healthy and see you later.
Thank you so much, Lady, for having us here. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you guys. So, bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Lisa. Hi everyone.
Oh, ulang lagi. Jangan lagi.
Bagian punya ketawa ya.
Makanya jangan lihat muka aku. Jangan lagi gitu sih. Tapi ngapain lihat aku?
Maksudnya biar kayak iya.
Nggak kalau misalnya aku tuh sendiri ya, sih aku nggak.
Sudah. Mirip banget.
Terus udah cukup bersagamnya. Kalian jangan lihat jatuh.